I'm vibe coding one website today, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to get these beautiful fonts and everything with Lovable or Cursor or all of these AI tools. Just for a little bit of context, I've been coding on Lovable for over I did more than 770 edits on Lovable, and I'm currently I think using my plan is $100 per month, but you can do this 100% for free, and you can start learning how to have like these constant characters and like beautiful designs. These are some of the websites that I created, for example, this one. There is a website that gives you like the names of Allah, and that also has personalized invocation. For example, personalized AI invocations. You have also these really beautiful charts that I can create, and it's all really simple. I'm literally creating a website for everything. Like, for example, I have this one that is not well designed. I just created it for functionality. It's like a dandruff calendar to see if I'm doing my medicine well. Some ones where I focus a little bit more on design, like this one, or some like this one where I'm just like literally to track my reading. And the key is for me, and for example, obviously this one, which is my main one, is co-founder compatibility assessment, part of my startup, which is called Only Founders. And as you can see, if you go here, you can find these beautiful designs, which are always the same ones, almost everywhere. See, it's literally the same ones. And one of the first thing that we have to know first is how to pump. But I think I'm not gonna focus on that because everyone talks about that. But if you want to just have these beautiful designs here, you have first so many amazing tools like this one that is called 21 First Dev. That is a library, an open source library of really beautiful designs, like this one, for example. Really beautiful designs that you can just like copy paste the code from them. One of the things, if you can look here, for example, you can see this beautiful code. You can copy its prompt as for free. I'm not paying anything for this. Or copy the code directly and paste it into Lovable, and you'll see that it's the same one than this one. And it's so great when you give the tools and you find these amazing libraries, specifically as someone that is non technical. You'll be able to do so much stuff way faster. Second thing is to focus on the font. I like to use, for example, if you see from my websites, I like to use a specific font. It's called Instrumental Sheriff, and it gives that aspect that is like a little bit more premium for me, and I like it. So I would just give to, like, for example, Lovable, that this is my prompt, and I want you to, this is my font, and I want you to use it on everything. And as you can see, this is my website of Only Founders that is not available yet. As you can see, I can have like these beautiful designs, but also my specific style. And then if you go, there's a lot of other websites. You can take a screenshot of these. I mean, actually, no. There's this, these are, don't show the names. Show like what I think about these things. So if you can see here, for example, Magic UI has a code where you can share it. I'm on private navigation, so this is literally free. I'm not even connected to an account. You can have there is one that has beautiful charts. As you can see, you have all of these ones, and if you go, for example, to charts specifically, you can see these beautiful charts. I really like that you can see in the analytics here. I literally didn't do anything, just copy the code and paste it to Lovable. Obviously, you'll have to learn how to prompt engineer, but before that, this is already a really great start. And I'm going to be sharing with you, for example, these ones, which I think they are really great. I'm just gonna share this link, and then you'll access this, and you can literally edit it directly. It would show remix here directly into Lovable, and you'd be able to access these designs as well. Yeah, is this enough? Yeah, actually, I'm gonna show another thing. As you can see, this is one of beautiful ones that I liked from that website. And as you can see, this is like a reading tracker where I put how many hours or minutes I'm tracking the books that I'm reading. And I just put that thing literally on the code, and now I have this animation. Really direct. Then I added the same prompts, and I'm gonna do a dashboard that is more beautiful than this one, because this is one of the things that Lovable gives you in the beginning. And you'll be able to create so many great things with lots of like way more, way less limitations. And for example, have like bookmarked here. You can see way more beautiful stuff on 21st Dev is really great. And you can also see like backgrounds. Like, for example, if you want to create a background that is like this, or you want like a moving background, like a dotted surface like this, I had a website that had this design as well. But also one of the other tools is to be really structured. So for example, I use Notebook LM to keep store of some of the codes. So for example, I have a code for something that I really like a visual graph code. So I have the prompt here, so then I modulate and I use it somewhere else. Also, Lovable has limits. So sometimes one AI won't do everything. So you'll go to another AI and try. For example, I like using AI Studio from Google, which is for me free. Um, and has way more limits because Lovable asks you to pay way faster. And then you'll be able to give him the code and get different variations. So, for example, here I wanted to create an animation and I was like giving it to between between Google AI Studio, Lovable, Base 44, Cursor, and using all of these. I hope this helps specifically for people who love vibe coding. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing every day a video about me vibe coding and some of the websites that I posted. I think this video is a little bit too long, so I'll let you go. Bye bye.